Today we are going to start with chapter number 3, arithmetic progression. In this chapter, what you have to supposed to learn is the pattern. Patterns you are going to learn. In this pattern, there are different types of patterns. For example, if we take one example, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. That means it is an addition of 1. So what we have done? We have added 1 to each number. 1 to each number. Correct? If I add 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. 3 plus 1, it becomes 4. Second, if I take one more example. 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. What is the pattern over here? It is a multiple of 2. What it is? It is a multiple of 2. I'll take one more example. What I can take is, I can take 1, 4, 9, 16, so on. What is this? What can you identify by this pattern? So here it is nothing but squaring of the number. Squaring of each sequence. Squaring of each number. That is, if we take 1 square, I'll get 1. If I take 2 square, I'll get 4. If I get 3 square, I'll have 9. Correct? And if I take 4 square, I'll get 16. And so on it is continuing. So the pattern over here is, if I take 2 ones are 2. What is over here? 2 into 1 is equals to 2. What is the next? 2 into 2 is equals to 4. See? Then we have 2 into 3 is equals to 6. And so on it is continuing. This is what a pattern is. And what is the over here? If I take 1 plus 1, I'll get 2. Next, 2 plus 1, I'll get 3. Next, 3 plus 1, I'll get 4. This is what the sequence is. So we get a new thing. I've used a word sequence. What is the sequence? Now, sequence means a collection of numbers. What is sequence? It is a collection of numbers which are arranged in a proper way, in a definite order, which are arranged in definite order. Definite order. D-E-F-I-N-I-T-E. Definite order. Okay, this you have to understand. So what is this sequence now? 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a definite arrangement, that is 1 is added to each number. Definite arrangement. What is the sequence of this number? 2, 4, 6, 8. 1. That is, it is a multiple of 2. 2 ka multiple. Then, what is the third one? It is a sequence. That is 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. That all things are being arranged in a proper way. That is why it is called as sequence. The next thing after this is what this first thing called? It is called as a term. It is called as term. The number in the first place of any sequence. What I can say? The number. So I'll write over here. The number in first place, first position, is called as first term. Or you can call it, it is denoted by T1. This second number can be denoted by T2 because it is a second number. Third can be called as T3 and so on. So these are the terms what we are identifying. Okay, got it? I think so you have understood this. And if you have understood this, we can continue with the first exercise. Okay, let's start with the first practice set, that is practice set number 3.1. Which of the following sequence is an AP? If they are AP, find the difference. So this is the question what is asked in 3.1. So the first question is 2, 4, 6, 8 and it goes on continuously. It is unlimited. So it can further continue to any extent, to the end. So how we have to solve it? We can solve it by writing solution over here first. Because since the question is written, we can write the solution. And then afterwards, what we are going to write? In the sequence. Which sequence? In the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. The first term. Which is the first term? 2 is the first term. So what we are going to write? First term. So first term. That is called as T1 is equals to 2. What is the second term? Second term T2 is equals to 4. What is the third term? We are going to write it, present it in a proper way. T3 is equals to 6 and so on. So now after this you have to understand, now we are going to find the difference. T2 minus T1, because the greater number minus smaller number. Now T2 minus T1, that is the greater number, that is 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. You have got the answer 2. Now third term minus the second term. T3 minus T2 is equals to 6 minus 4, that is again 2. So you are able to understand, this is 2, this is again 2. When I subtract second term from the first term, I get a difference 2. When I subtract the third term from the second term, I get a difference 2. What does this means? Since I don't have place, I am writing over here. So what is the difference? So we say that the common difference, we are getting a common difference. The common difference D is equals to 2, which is a constant. Which is a constant, which is same, 2, 2. If I take the third term also, if I take T4 minus T3, what is T4? T4 is 8. 8 minus 6, again I am getting 2, see. So there is a common difference. So which is a constant. Therefore, so what we have understood? Which of the following sequence is an AP? Since the difference is 2 and which is constant, the sequence is an AP. So what we are going to write? The given sequence is an AP. So we are going to write, therefore, the given sequence is an AP. That is arithmetic progression. So from this, what we have concluded? What we have concluded? The first term, we can call it as A, which is equals to T1 equals to 2. Therefore, the first term is this, and the common difference. They have told, if they are AP, find the difference. So we have already found the difference. So the first term A is equals to T1, that is equals to 2. And if an AP, find the difference. If they are AP, find the difference. We have already found the common difference. But we are just writing the first term A is equals to T1, that is equals to 2. For further questions, we will require this. And the common difference. And the common difference, that is D is equals to nothing but 2. Here we end our first question. I think so you should have followed this. I'll give you a brief description about this question number 2 in the next video. I hope you all like this. Please do like, share and comment my video.